Welcome back to the channel, Hobby-Wan Kenobi here. Well, I am finishing up the Great Wall Hobby T-33A. As mentioned in a previous video, I chose to depict the aircraft from Langley Air Force Base. I've always loved the early jets in white and ADC gray. Before I finish up the aircraft, I thought I would take some time to review the work on this model. The model offered decals for the side consoles and the cockpit, but I opted to paint these areas. Work then began by painting the interior of the cockpit parts. The seat belts were made from Tamiya tape and photo etched buckles. After the cockpit was painted, the fuselage halves were glued together and seams were cleaned up or removed when appropriate. Painting of the exterior began with white, then everything was carefully masked and the ADC gray was airbrushed on. Various portions of the underside were masked and painted, and the wingtip fuel tanks were masked. These were painted black ostensibly to keep glare away from the pilot's view. The model then received a few coats of Mission Models gloss. Now it's time to apply the decals. I was very concerned that the blue stripe along the aircraft would cause some problems, either by being too short or not wrapping well around contours and other details. The stripe ended up being the right length, but the wraparound at the nose didn't work. I opted to cut the decal shy of the tip and deal with the rest of the line at another time. I would recommend not applying any of the red walkway stripes as they simply didn't fit. I ended up masking off these areas and airbrushing them. Once the decals dried, I applied another coat of Mission Models gloss. Next, I began removing the masking tape. I then used a toothpick to remove any paint that bled under the tape. Next, I applied a wash in only a few small areas of the model. Once dried, the wash was gently removed with Q-tips and the model received yet another coat of gloss. I was finally able to remove the masking from the cockpit. The seats were placed in the cockpit. And here she is. Overall, it was a nice kit. The cockpit was under-detailed, but the fit was really good and the model was quite enjoyable to build. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.